I guess you Bebop users are familiar with the Sky controller. I've got myself a yellow one. Works perfectly with Bebop 2 and 1 of course, but I think it's kinda big. So when I'm hiking or traveling by bike, this is no, it's too heavy, it's too big. Something I recently discovered was this another Parrot device. It's called Flypad, and I was wondering if it can be useful to connect to the Bebop, and I found out last week it does. It's lightweight, you can put your iPhone on it or your Android device, and it just takes over the steering instead of doing it by your touchscreen. It's much better, I think. So I'll demonstrate you how it works.
Everyone's supposed to be playing their part.
So first I'll power up the Bebop. I remove the props so I can test it. Here is the Flypad Pro app. As you can see, there's a connection. And I can take off or land. That works. Now to connect the Flypad to your iPhone, just press the button over here, then it starts up the Bluetooth device.
The music of the sun and the stars. I got there. Your music too.
And you will see the Flypad on your app. It's the button here. Just press it and you'll see the Flypad. Now it's connected. And you can mount your mobile device to the Flypad. And it just functions. The same controls as you would do with your touchscreen. And somebody asked me, what about the camera? If you push the L button, you can use this right stick for camera movement, so I think it's great. Okay, does it work on your iPad or iPad mini? I shouldn't know why it won't, but we can check.
Your music too. I got there. Everyone's supposed to be playing their part. I got there.
Is what it is.
Looks okay. Of course your iPad won't fit on here quite easily, so I don't know why anybody would like to attach the iPad to the Flypad. I'll stick to my my iPhone. Thanks for watching.